This is the back of a Hotpoint small fridge. It was tripping the electrics. If you look at this compressor, it's pretty rusty over there. There is a dent there. Well, I've tested the compressor. It's okay. So the next thing I looked at was the relay. Now, to get the relay accessed, I had to take this off. And if you look there, it's I think there's been a bang there. You look at all that residue of smoke. And I've now fitted a new relay in place. It's taken all the connections off and the old one put onto the new one, and I reattached it. I just want to show you the old relay, and my goodness gracious me, I've not seen a relay like this before. Look at that, it must have exploded. You know, that's all I can say. But the poor woman who had this said that she could smell some burning and it tripped the electrics. Well, you know, that's what happened. I checked the plug and that's okay. So the fuse is okay there. So that's the reason why this was not working. Absolute bang. Now it does raise the question, when I start this up, is that one going to go bang? I don't think so. This is a very old fridge. I think this has just basically died of old age, quite frankly. It's an ancient thing. So that's what I think happened. But I thought I'd show that to you. If you've ever seen one like this before, you won't be able to resurrect it, I can tell you that now.